where are we?
Hi, back again. We are going here, by the way. Come show them here.
Also introduce the
Wendelstein.
vlog this time, no?
This is very rare that the audience of the vlog is in the video itself. So these are my friends, and we will be climbing the mountain today again after the first vlog. Very successful. You can see the cable car behind. Walking our way to the cable car point, and then we'll go up, see how it is. I did want to trek up there, but it's like a 2.5 hour trek, intermediate hai. Or we got late catching the train. The trek starts from here. We are everyone reading direction. We won't be doing that. We'll be clicking down reverse when we come down from there. So, but it does look good, no? Nice. There's someone paragliding there. I don't know if you can see that. It's very. Yeah. Good shit. Let's go. Beautiful. Today we'll be going up to Wendelstein. The mountain is 1800 meters, so 1.8 kilometers ka hai. Germany's oldest, not oldest, sorry, the highest church is on that mountain peak. What else is there? There's a cave, and of course at the summit there is like a viewing point where you can see other peaks, just like last time if you guys follow me enough to watch my previous vlog. But today we have company. Extremely hot. It is, what is the temperature? 28 degrees. I'm calling 28 hot, I know, but it's not humid at all. It's just dry heat, so that's why the whole sunglasses and cap and etc. Each ticket was 18 euros. We have taken only one-way ticket because we'll be trekking back down the road, because at least एक बार तो trek करना चाहिए ना. And the last train, that will be the gondola, comes down at 5 o'clock. So we can't really. It's already 3, so it will be too late. So we'll be trekking back down. which is in 2 minutes. Our next cable car will go. Seat pakdo, jaldi bhagो, family. Oh, the shit is moving. लोकल का फीलर है गाइस. चलो अंधेरी दादर. Rohit's fear is immortalized in my vlog. बेचारा that guy behind me has vertigo, but he's fighting his own. शिद्दत रहती है भाई, और क्या कर सकते हैं. But the view is gonna get even better. Oh, we're going more north. Our ears have started to get blocked, and just like we वो जो plane में feel. Oh shit! Don't worry. What a time to be alive, guys. Oh, there's a small house there. That side.
After hiking for 3 hours, the view was amazing.
It is breathtaking. This is the trek right there. You can see people getting down. This is the trek. There, you see the people down there. You look at that.
Okay, you're scaring me or what?
No, I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you. You have come outside.
Make it go like this, no?
Just before getting on the gondola, I said that it's very warm, and now here it's so cold. It's so cool. It's so pleasant. I think it's like easy 5-6 degrees. Super 5-6 degrees cooler here. है ना? होगा. अभी विंटर में समर के लिए मरते हैं, समर में विंटर के लिए मरेंगे. It's a constant cycle.
है कि नहीं, ये जवानी है दीवानी, अगर यहाँ पे भैरव का मंदिर था, यहाँ पे भैरव का मंदिर है.
that itself, ladies and gentlemen, is the highest church in Germany. And I don't know if the entry is open or no, but we'll try to go inside or at least visit. There must be a small little notice board or something written telling us.
अगर वहाँ सच में रहेगा तो मुझे भी कुछ मांगना है.
देखा सबका डायलॉग बाजी चालू है इधर. So the build year of the church is 89 or 1869. It's written right over there. Behind me there's also LMU University, which is Ludwig Maximilian University. They have sponsored, or they operate the observatory that you can see behind me up on the mountain. Of course we'll go there at the peak, and that is when I'll show you. But these are all the details about the church, and there's a small little poem written. It's all in German, so, and this is like old German, so it's tough for me also to understand. Yeah, here it is. If you guys can see, that little train track road is for the oldest, or not oldest, sorry, the 100-year-old Bergbahn, which means the mountain train, which has been running here. We came with the cable car, but they also have a mountain train which runs along the mountain. Multiple ways to get here. You can either trek, get the gondola that like we got, cable car, or the train which runs. That is more scenic, more time consuming, and I think we had to go to a different train station altogether to get there. So we didn't do that. But yeah, you can do that if you want to. यहाँ पे मस्त व्यू है, यू नो. सो मालदीव में हम लोग यार, हमने चेरी दबा रहे हैं, चेरी खा रहे हैं भाई. आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग, आई आल्सो एम गोना ईट वन, बट व्हाट इज दिस? ये देखो, चॉकलेट चेरी, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. पता है मेरे को, लड्डू खा रहे लोग यहाँ पे. ये ले, तिळाचे लाडू आहेत. आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. मिळाला मला, मी घेतलंय.
अच्छा, ओके.
थँक यू. पण नरम क्यों है? सॉफ्ट. The small little way that we're on right now, this thing right here, is called the Panorama Way. Along the peak of the mountain, almost, it's 25 minutes small hike to the real peak, which is right there behind me. It's completely at the edge, and literally, not even kidding, look at that. Natural है ना, natural है.
What if it falls down?
No, it won't fall, Baba. It's a stable railing. Let me show you guys the view now. ऐसा public को घुमाने का. Now it's time for our lunch. तो अब लोग खाने वाले.
स्पेशल दही बड़ा. ना, नॉय की बेकरी से आया होता है. नहीं,
I don't care for
दही बड़ा guys.
thin crust. Both of the same.
नहीं तो चैंडलर और इसका
both the same.
वो नीचे वाले फ्लोर में डिलीवर किया होता है.
Special.
चैंडलर लेके आ जाता है.
हाँ, चैंडलर लेके.
Got delivered to the wrong address.
Here's a small. What do you call it?
look-
Einen schönen Tag.
Yeah.
Here, Danke aus Indien.
नाम भी लिखना है.
किसका?
तेरा और साहिल.
नहीं, सब कुछ. उसका क्या कर रहा है? अरे यार.
Ooh, look at that. Crazy. उस पे लिखा है, I mean, it's written there that this observatory behind us, which I told you about, sponsored by LMU, hosts the only most modern 2-meter telescope that Europe has to offer. And above this hill, apparently, is the most darkest sky that Germany has. And that is why they have this observatory here. So, pretty cool. We can't go inside because of course it's locked. But the view is breathtaking. This peak provides a good view into the geography of Germany. If you can see, this is I think the north side, right? It's completely flat. There is no mountain. Whereas on the south, you can see behind me that all the mountains are there. After next to each other, behind each other. It's pretty cool. Look at that. This is not at all what I expected. Alrighty, spent the time enough. We have fed enough birds now. We've eaten also enough, and we'll be making our way down. The city behind me, which you can see right there, is the city we are going to. And yeah, we'll catch our train from there. It's a 2-hour trek downhill. It's gonna be easy. They say it's 2 hours, but it should be faster. So yeah. Here they have mentioned all the possible routes that you can take, 4 of them, where they take you and how much time it takes for each route to get down. We are taking the first one. It's going to take us 2.5 hours to get there. Guys, we have been trekking for how much? Half an hour? 45 minutes, bros? हाँ guys, कितना हुआ?
We started at 5:10.
Started at 5:10. It is quarter to 6 now. And I think the hard part of the descent is done. You can see the mountains next to us. And we are walking on this amazing trail through the jungle. We can hear the cowbells in the distance. It's amazing. And thankfully it's not that sunny. It would have been very bright sun, would have been a little bit tiring. But it's very, very doable. Alrighty. Well guys, we were just walking through the jungle and we could hear some music playing in a distance, and we were just wondering what is happening, and then we found this. It's a whole concert which is happening. There are people drinking, playing, drinking games, and what? Nothing to say. It's just vibes are immaculate. That's all I can say. trek is ended. We are back on the road with beers in our hand. I don't know if this is the ideal way to end the trek or not, but it should be. I would suggest that. So yeah, we have another 20 minutes to walk till the train station. I think at the train station I'm gonna ask these guys how it was. उनके मुँह से सुनेंगे how their experience was, especially those girls at the back. If you guys can see at the top of this little mountain, that is where we were, and here we are right now. Tired. And we have only 15 more minutes for like the train, and yeah, we're gonna make our way to the station. So, but yeah, once again have a look.
Which one?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
I think guys, I have some relation with my vlogs and cows because at the end of every trek there is one cow at least. So here, cow again. We've made it
You come after 100 years.
successfully. There is a train right there.
One at.
It took us 3 hours, but we took a lot of breaks. We went to a small little hill party. That's okay. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna ask these people how the trek was, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. Next, you'll see reviews of treks of these people in the train, especially that guy who came like 1 hour before us.
These guys are all kidding people. They cannot.
अभी मेरे को edit करना पड़ेगा beep डाल के.
They cannot hike and stuff.
Yeah.
They should be professional like me.
Yeah.
I came like 1.5 hours ago. Not
Hey,
1.5.
please.
1 hour 15 minutes.
कैसा था? How was your first descent, first trek, first? How was the view? How was the?
view was very nice. Although it was a bit tiring, but the view was amazing.
I think we won't understand today.
Yeah.
जब कल when we wake up in the morning in the hostel. But yeah,
I'll check.
we did.
Check in my way.
Damn.
This is my step.
Oh, अच्छा. I think average Sam is short, little shorter than उसका ज़्यादा.
So mine is, I'll tell you that.
Oh sorry, yeah.
It's
Average, let's take an average.
Average is
21.
21. हाँ वो
let's
दिख
expand
नहीं
our
रहा है, but like,
sample
can you
size.
press it again, please?
Oh.
21.
Let's.
छोड़ा. 21,000 steps. Total 3 hours. We took 3 hours. We
expand our sample
we
size.
stopped. We stopped at the event. We picked up beer. I recommend it. It's a good place.
अरे हाँ, इसको मजा आएगा.
One good thing about it is the trek starts right outside the train station. If you move out
नहीं दूध है ना.
from this place, there's a signboard to start the trek. So I recommend it.
क्या दूध है क्या?
I don't know. Thanks for watching. सब लोग एक बार bye बोल दो. It's like telling yourself bye at this point because तुम लोग आधे लोग तो तुम लोग ही देखने वाले हो but battery is also dead for my GoPro so until next time. Shobha Khair, Kailash Khair, take care, Garnier. Bye.